Hi, Floyd here with Blue Chip and OEXoptions.com, again teaching you about point and figure charting. Here I've got a chart on waste management, a stock that we own, and I'm going to try to give you more of an overview of how to read the stock. First of all, note that when a month begins, the point and figure chartist uses the number. So for example, this is April of 2002. This is September of 2002. This is June of 2006. For the first 3 months of the year, they use A, B, and C. A, January, B, February. So you can see slight movements upwards in January and February. 3 is March, it starts to move up, and you can start to see where the actual columns are taking place. Let's just trend this for a moment. These red lines are the upper Bollinger Bands. These red lines down here are the lower Bollinger Bands, and this blue line is the 20-day simple moving average. You'll notice this stock is right now having a higher series of X's. It's actually moved up to 3306, and it's double topped. This right here, where two X's occur, when it moves up again, which it did in February, it created a double top and began to move above. It's now even above that and heading towards the top Bollinger Band. You'll notice the top Bollinger Band is also at 35, which is a very strong resistance line. If you were a point and chartist purist, you'd look at 35 as a potential point for sale, and for support, if you were looking for a stop and loss and you wanted to be tight, let's say you bought it at 30, you would look at a stop and loss of roughly 26, where there's a lot of zeros, or 27, or if you wanted to take great risk, as low as 24. These are simple ways to create stop and loss and to create where you know where you're going to sell using moving average, Bollinger Bands, and classic 3-in-1 charting.